Hi friends, আজি আমি English grammar MCQ কেইটামান চাম। এটা মেইন কন্টেন্টস হৈছে determiners, models, tenses, verbs আৰু speech. First topic determiners. Determiners are words that comes before a noun to show how the noun is being used. In English there are four types of determiners: articles, demonstratives, quantifiers and possessive. অসমীয়াত হৈছে নিৰ্ণায়ক হৈছে এনে শব্দ যিবোৰে বিশেষ্যৰ আগত অহা শব্দটো কেনেকৈ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছে তাক দেখুৱায়। ইংৰাজীত ইয়াৰ চাৰিটা প্ৰকাৰ আছে। সেয়া হৈছে প্ৰবন্ধ, প্ৰদৰ্শনকাৰী, পৰিমাণীকৰণকাৰী আৰু অধিকাৰী। ইয়াত কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন চাওঁ আহক। ডেছ অফ দ্য টু সিষ্টাৰ্ছ ইজ মেৰিড। অপশ্যনছ হৈছে both, every, each, any. So yeah, answer to hobo each. Each of the two sisters is married. Question second. Dash of you should attend the conference. Options is both, each, every, many. Yeah, answer to hobo both. Both of you should attend the conference. Third question. We should inform dash of them. Options many, every, few, all. Answer to all. We should inform all of them. So they have spent dash for their son's wedding. Options is many, enough, all, the little. Answer to enough. They have spent enough for their son's wedding. Next question. Dash of the candidates passed this exam. Options is enough, fewer, either, most. So answer to most. Most of the candidates passed this exam. So question 2 is dash of the deadliness is met. Options is neither, no, none, much. Answer to neither. Neither of the deadliness is met. তাৰপিছত can I borrow dash sugar? Options is much, some, a little, a few. Answer to some. Can I borrow some sugar? So with this you have lost dash chance that you had. Options is a little, little, the little, slight. Answer to is the little. With this you have lost the little chance to that you had. তাৰপিছত question 2. Dash participants left the meeting in between. Options হৈছে several, much, the few, little. Answer to hobo several. Next question. It seems that they would need dash workers for the construction. Options are little, either, more, some. Answer to hobo more. It seems that they would need more workers for the construction. তাৰপিছত dash man that we saw turned out to be a thief. Options a, the, that, this. Answer to hobo the. The man that we saw turned out to be a thief. Next question. Can dash help me? Options many, nobody, everybody, somebody. Answer to hobo somebody. Can somebody help me? তাৰপিছত he should work dash and take a break. Options are less, little, a little, more. Answer to less. He should work less and take a break. তাৰপিছত he told me that dash blue was her favorite color. A, the, this, none of the above. So answer to none of the above. তাৰপিছত question 2. You can pick dash of 2. Options are many, more, either, some. Answer to either. You can pick either of 2. Second one, models. Model is a verb, for example, might, can or must, that is used with another verb for expressing possibility, permission, intention, etc. মডেল হৈছে এটা ক্ৰিয়া যেনে might, can বা must যিটো সম্ভাৱনা অনুমতি উদ্দেশ্য আদি প্ৰকাশৰ বাবে আন এটা ক্ৰিয়াৰ সৈতে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয় ফাৰ্স্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে when John was 2 he dash already speak very well options হৈছে might could can should so yeah answer to hobo could he could already speak very well তাৰপিছত next question she dash visit her grandparents house during holidays options হৈছে dare to ought to can might answer to hobo might she might visit her grandparents house during holidays তাৰপিছত question to dash I talk to the manager options are might may could shall answer to hobo may তো এটো হবো may I talk to the manager তাৰপিছত how dash she do that to us options are would must could shall answer to hobo could how could she do that to us তাৰপিছত if I get the required assistance I dash pass the exam in the first attempt options are shall cannot might could so answer to hobo might if I get the required assistant I might pass the exam in the first attempt so the audience dash settle before the doors are closed options are can shall might must answer to hobo must the audience must settle before the doors are closed so dash we save money for the party options are would need should dare answer to hobo should we save money for the party তাৰপিছত all students dash obey the school regulations could must are able to will answer to hobo must all students must obey the school regulations তাৰপিছত you dash visit them just make a phone call options are cannot will need not shall not answer to hobo need not you need not visit them just make a phone call so there has been a landslide you dash be careful while driving there options is can must could would yeah answer to hobo must there has been a landslide you must be careful while driving there I dash have won the tournament options are need to will could dare to answer to hobo could I could have won the tournament তাৰপিছত you dash speak in the library options are must not dare to need not could not answer to hobo must not you must not speak in the library তাৰপিছত we dash definitely look into the matter the officer affirmed options are need to would will dare to so answer to will we will definitely look into the matter the officer affirmed তাৰপিছত it's time we dash leave options are might should might have could have answer to hobo should it's time we should leave তাৰপিছত we are dash wait in the lobby until the receptionist calls again options হৈছে supposed to used to obliged to able to so answer to hobo supposed to we are supposed to wait in the lobby until the receptionist call again third tense in grammar tense is the time of a verb's action or its state of being such as present past or future ব্যাকৰণত কাল হ'ল কোনো ক্ৰিয়াৰ সময় বা তাৰ অৱস্থাৰ সময় যেনে বৰ্তমান অতীত বা ভৱিষ্যত ফাৰ্স্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে Rohan dash the movie before he read the review option হৈছে watches have watched had watched was watching. So answer to hobo had watched. Eto past tense ot ase. Rohan had watched the movie before he read the review. Tabisot he dash in the States, but he still does not have a command over the English language. Options hoise have been living, has been living, have living. So answer to hobo has been living. Eto hoise he has been living in the States, but he still does not have a command over the English language. So by the next month we shall dash the project. Options hoise has completed, completing, completed, have completed. So answer to hobo have completed. By the next month we shall have completed the project. Tarpot he dash daily for a year now. Answer to his options hoise exercises, was exercising, has been exercising, have been exercising. So answer to hobo has been exercising. He has been exercising daily for a year now. Tarpot I dash this book since morning. Options are had been reading, has been reading, have had read, shall be reading. So answer to hobo had been reading. I had been reading this book since morning. So which tense is used to express general truths or facts? ইয়াত সুধিছে কোনটো টেন্স ইউজ কৰা হয় সঁচা কথা বা তথ্য কওঁতে। অপশ্যনছ হৈছে প্ৰেজেণ্ট কণ্টিনিউৱাছ টেন্স, প্ৰেজেণ্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স, পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স, প্ৰেজেণ্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স। উত্তৰটো হ'ব প্ৰেজেণ্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স। তাৰপিছত what do tenses as the form of a verb help to determine? Options আছে the time of the action, the state of the action, both A and B, the number of action. So answer to হবে both A and B. So which tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future? Options are future perfect tense, present indefinite tense, future perfect continuous tense, D both A and C. So answer to হবে future perfect continuous tense. So identify the tense used in the following sentence. When I reached the bookstore, all the copies had already been sold. এই চেণ্টেন্সটোত কি টেন্স আছে সেইটো উলিয়াব লাগে। অপশ্যনকেইটা হৈছে পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স, পাষ্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স, প্ৰেজেণ্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স, প্ৰেজেণ্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স। চ' আনচাৰটো হৈছে পাষ্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্স। সি যোৱালে কিতাপৰ দোকানখনত থকা চব কিতাপবোৰ বিক্ৰী হৈ গ'ল। তাৰপিছত নাইদাৰ অফ দ্য পেইণ্টিংছ ডেছ চ'ল্ড। অপশ্যনছ হৈছে হেভ বিন, ৱেৰ, আৰ, ৱাজ। চ' আনচাৰটো হ'ব ডি ৱাজ। নাইদাৰ অফ দ্য পেইণ্টিংছ ৱাজ চ'ল্ড। তাৰপিছত সীতা অৰ হাৰ ব্ৰাদাৰ্ছ ডেছ টু বি ব্লেমড। অপশ্যনছ হৈছে ইজ, হেজ, আৰ, ৱাজ। আনচাৰটো হ'ব আৰ। Sita or her brothers are to be blamed. তাৰপিছত the chief guest with his wife dash. Options হ'ব has left, are leaving, have left, D left. So answer to হ'ব left. The chief guest with his wife left. তাৰপিছত the quality of products dash over time. Options হৈছে are degrading, have been degrading, have degrading, were degrading. Answer to hobo have been degrading. The quality of products have been degrading over time. So the news dash not updated timely. Options is where, have, is, are. So answer to hobo is. The news is not updated timely. তাৰপিছত they dash into their cars and drove away. Options is has got, have got, gets, got. Answer to hobo got. They got into their cars and drove away. তাৰপিছত আহিল verb. Verb হৈছে verbs are words that show an action, occurrence or a state of being. ক্ৰিয়াপদ হৈছে এনে শব্দ যিবোৰে কোনো ক্ৰিয়া, সংগঠন বা তাৰ অৱস্থা দেখুৱায় বা বুজায় Now first question to is Rahul and his friends dash also invites to the party. Option is was, had, where. Answer to hobo where. Next question. Neither you nor your sister should dash to them. Options is talk, talks, talked, talking. Answer to hobo A talk. তাৰপিছত 20 years dash the minimum age to fill this form. Options is are, is, has, have. Answer to hobo is 20 years is the minimum age to fill this form. তাৰপিছত a bouquet of flowers dash required for the event. Options is are, have, has, is. Answer to hobo is a bouquet of flowers is required for the event. তাৰপিছত a pair of socks dash been missing from my wardrobe. Options is have, has, where, is. So answer to hobo B has. A pair of socks has been missing from my wardrobe. তাৰপিছত much dash been said in the news reports. Options is where, have, has, was. Answer to hobo has. Much has been said in the news reports. So the information provided to you dash wrong. Where, was, are, have been. Answer to was. The information provided to you was wrong. So the company dash of its stakeholders. Options is think, thought, thinks, thinking. So answer to things. The company thinks of its stakeholders. So either of the two dresses sell dash good. Option is looking, look, looks, looked. So answer to look. Each and every member dash to vote. Option is has, have, having, are. Answer to has. Each and every member has to vote. That's a large number of soldiers dash died for the country. Option is has, is, are, have. Answer to have. A large number of soldiers have died for the country. So half of the class dash empty. Option is where, was, has, have. Answer to was. Half of the class was empty. So my mother along with others dash worried. Option is where, are, have, was. Answer to was. So she does not take a lot of stress. Options is need, needs, needing, has need. Answer to need. She need not take a lot of stress. So none of the candidates dash responded. Answer is have. None of the candidates have responded. Fifth, speech. Speech is the communication or expression of thoughts in spoken words. বাক্য হৈছে কথিত শব্দৰে যোগাযোগ বা প্ৰকাশ First question to is Nancy said I may leave tomorrow. Options is Nancy said that she might leave the next day. Nancy said that she might leave tomorrow. Nancy asked if she should leave the next day. Nancy informed me to leave tomorrow. So answer to hobo Nancy said that she might leave the next day. Next question to hold Keshav said Rita is busy right now. Option site আছে ইয়াৰ answer to hold Keshav informed that Rita was busy now. তাৰপিছত the teacher said you are suspended. Options আছে তাৰপিছত the answer to হৈছে the teacher exclaimed that I was suspended. তাৰপিছত he said that I have been a great mentor. The answer to he said that he had been a great mentor. তাৰপিছত Vidushi said we went for a summer trip. The answer to Vidushi said that they had gone for a summer trip. তাৰপিছত Rahul said I will manage hereafter. Answer to Rahul said that he would manage thereafter. The guard asked who are you? Answer to above, the guard asked who I was. So Ravi said the concert ended yesterday. Answer to above, Ravi said that the concert has ended the previous day. So she said, bring a glass of water please. She requested me to bring a glass of water. So he said, let us have dinner here. Answer to above, he proposed that we had dinner there. So the salesman said, are you interested in the scheme? Answer to above, the salesman asked me if I was interested in the scheme. She said, shut the door. Answer to above, she ordered me to shut the door. So the policeman said, don't cross the speed limit. Answer to above, the policeman forbade me to cross the speed limit. So Richard said, I must attend this meeting. Answer to above, Richard said that he had to attend the meeting. So she said, what a beautiful view. Answer to above, she exclaimed that the view was beautiful. So lastly, যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল পালে তেতিয়া লাইক আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব।